Hello everyone. Welcome back to Smart English Official. Do you think you need to know all English words before you can speak English?
Oh no. If that is true, then I'm in big trouble already.
Good news. You do not need perfect English to speak English.
Yes, and today we will show you a very easy way to start speaking English, even if you are shy, even if you forget words, and even if your cat is your only speaking partner.
So stay with us, because this may be the day you stop saying, I understand English, but I cannot speak.
And start saying, hey, I can do this.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Smart English Official.
I'm James.
And I'm Lima.
And today we are talking about something many learners want.
Yes, how to learn English speaking.
Some people read English.
Some people write English.
Some people know many grammar rules.
But when it is time to speak?
Their mouth says, nope.
Yes, the brain is ready, but the mouth goes on holiday.
If that is you, do not worry.
You are not bad at English.
You just need the right way to practice.
And today, we will make it simple, fun, and easy to follow.
First, let's say something very important.
You do not learn speaking by only reading a book.
You do not learn speaking by only watching videos.
And you do not learn speaking by waiting to become perfect.
Speaking gets better by speaking.
Yes, it sounds very simple.
Because it is simple.
But many learners do one big thing wrong.
They study English like it is a school test.
They want full grammar,
Full word list,
full perfect answer.
and then maybe next year they speak one sentence.
That is too late.
English speaking is like learning to ride a bike.
You can read 10 books about bikes.
But at some point, you must sit on the bike.
Maybe you shake a little.
Maybe you go left, then right, then almost into a tree.
But that is how you learn.
The same is true for speaking English.
Here's tip number 1.
Start with small English.
Many learners try to speak in long, hard sentences.
That is not needed.
Start with short sentences.
For example, I am tired. I like tea.
Today is hot.
I am going to work.
I don't understand.
This is real English.
Simple English is not baby English.
It is smart English.
If you can say easy things clearly, that is great speaking.
A short sentence is better than a silent mouth.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Thank you. I worked very hard for 5 seconds on it.
So please remember this. Short and clear is good.
Tip number 2. Use English every day.
Not one time a week.
Not only on Sunday.
Every day. Even for 5 or 10 minutes.
Small daily practice is stronger than one long class every 2 weeks.
Why?
Because your brain needs to meet English again and again.
Like a friend.
Yes, a friend you should not ignore.
Poor English, sitting in the corner, waiting for you.
Please talk to me.
So, what can you do every day?
Very easy things.
Say what you are doing.
For example, I am making coffee. I am opening the door.
I am washing my hands.
I am looking for my phone. Again.
Yes, daily life gives you many easy speaking chances.
You do not need a big speech.
You need small moments.
Tip number 3. Talk to yourself.
Some people hear this and say,
Wait, talk to myself? Is that okay?
yes, it is okay.
Very okay.
Talking to yourself is one of the best ways to practice speaking.
Because you do not feel fear.
No one is there to stop you.
No one says that grammar is wrong.
No one laughs at you.
Only maybe your dog looks at you like, what is happening?
But that is fine.
Try this. Stand in your room.
And talk for 1 minute. Talk about your day.
Talk about your food.
Talk about your plans.
Talk about your favorite movie.
If you do not know a word,
Use another easy word.
keep going.
The goal is not perfect speaking.
The goal is moving your mouth in English.
Tip number 4. Listen and copy. This is very helpful.
Find short English videos, short podcast clips, or easy English talks.
Listen to one line
Then stop.
and say it again.
Copy the sound, copy the stress, copy the feeling.
For example, if someone says, "Hey, how's it going?"
Do not say it like a robot.
Yes, not like this. "Hey, how is it going?"
Please no.
Say it in a natural way. "Hey, how's it going?"
This helps your mouth learn the music of English.
Speaking is not only words.
It is also sound.
Listen, copy, repeat.
Again and again.
Tip number 5. Learn phrases.
Not only one word at a time.
For example, do not only learn the word hungry.
Learn the full phrase. I am hungry.
Do not only learn agree.
Learn, I agree with you.
Do not only learn idea.
Learn, that is a good idea.
Phrases help you speak faster.
Because your brain remembers a full small piece.
Then when you need it, boom, it comes out.
Like magic.
Cheap magic, but still magic.
Very useful magic.
So collect simple speaking phrases.
Like,
Can you help me?
what do you mean?
Please say that again.
I'm not sure.
Let me think.
That sounds nice.
These are gold for speaking.
Now, this part is very important.
Yes, maybe the most important.
Do not fear mistakes.
Mistakes are normal.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Every speaker makes mistakes.
Even people with good English sometimes say the wrong word.
Even in our first language, we make mistakes.
Yes, sometimes I open the fridge and forget why I am there. That is also a mistake.
A cold mistake.
So if you say something wrong in English, it is okay.
You are learning.
A mistake means you are trying.
Silence helps no one.
Trying helps you grow.
If you wait for perfect English,
You may wait too long.
speak now, improve later.
That is the way.
Tip number 6. Find someone to speak with.
A friend.
A classmate.
A teacher.
A language partner online.
Anyone kind and patient.
You do not need a long talk.
Even 10 minutes is good.
You can ask easy questions.
How was your day?
What did you eat?
What do you like to do on weekends?
What is your favorite song?
Keep the talk simple.
If you feel shy, start with voice messages.
That is a great idea.
You can speak, listen again, and try again.
It gives you more time.
And less panic.
Yes. Less panic is always nice. Let's make a very easy plan.
Yes, a simple daily routine.
Here's one idea.
Step 1. Listen to 1 minute of easy English.
Step 2. Repeat what you hear.
Step 3. Talk to yourself for 2 minutes.
Step 4. Say 5 useful phrases.
Step 5. Record your voice 1 time.
This can take only 10 minutes.
10 minutes a day, every day, can change a lot.
After 1 week, you feel a little stronger.
After 1 month, you feel more ready.
After some months, you start speaking more freely.
Not perfect,
But better.
and better is beautiful.
One more thing.
Please be kind to yourself.
Some learners are too hard on themselves.
They say, "My English is bad.
I speak too slowly.
My accent is not good."
But slow progress is still progress.
A small step is still a step.
You are learning something new.
That takes time.
So say this to yourself.
I am learning.
I am getting better.
I do not need to be perfect today.
That mindset helps a lot.
Also, drink water.
That is your advice.
Yes, Speaking with a dry mouth is not fun.
Okay, fair enough. So let's review.
Start with small English.
Practice every day.
Talk to yourself.
Listen and copy.
Learn useful phrases.
Do not fear mistakes.
Find a speaking partner.
Follow a simple routine.
And be kind to yourself.
If you do these things,
your speaking will grow.
English speaking is not about being perfect.
It is about being brave enough to open your mouth and try.
1 sentence today,
2 sentences tomorrow.
and little by little, you will speak more.
So if you feel shy, that is okay.
If you make mistakes, that is okay.
If your first sentence sounds funny, that is okay too.
Keep going,
Keep speaking.
and keep learning with joy.
Thank you for listening to Smart English Official.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments,
What is one English sentence you can say today?
just 1 sentence, simple and easy.
We would love to read it.
And if you want more easy English speaking lessons with Lima and James,
Stay with Smart English Official.
and let's learn English together, one easy step at a time.
Bye, everyone.
See you in the next video.